Springfield, New Mexico. Nearly every officer in the county is on the tail of an alleged gunman and his accomplice. After starting a fight at a laundromat, they opened fire on police. Now they're on the run, and they've got plenty of ammo left. The two desperados unload round after round through the back window. But then, one of the suspects decides he can't stand the heat. The passenger takes a dive at 95 miles an hour. Rather than get caught in a gunfight with police. But the driver shows no signs of giving up.
This suspect is a maniac at this point. I'm thinking he's got no regard for human life.
Increasingly desperate, the outlaw heads into a neighborhood. He careens over the curbs and across lawns.
I start screaming at people to get back in their houses. At any moment, the suspect could be firing his weapon at innocent people in the residential area. We've got to stop him.
Officers try to box the fugitive in, but he refuses to be intimidated.
For lack of better terms, we played chicken. The vehicle actually came straight towards my vehicle.
One, two, three, one, I'm fine. My vehicle just been sideswiped. I'm not out of it. I am continuing.
The call comes in to spin the suspect out. And cruisers take position. But that's when this chase takes its most shocking turn yet. The fugitive slams against a passing motorist. And Sergeant Corey Falk pins the sedan with his SUV. Rather than surrender, the driver goes for broke.
I see the suspect shooting at Sergeant Falk. I'm thinking, man, this guy needs to be stopped. He's gonna kill my sergeant. I have tunnel vision. I see only the suspect, and I'm pulling the trigger so fast, it feels like an automatic weapon.
When the bullets finally stop flying, it appears the suspect may not be alive.
Driver of the vehicle been shot. Looks like he might be 10-7.
But officers take no chances. They approach cautiously and assess the threat, then swarm the car and cuff the shooter.
Suspect driver still alive. He is not 10-7 at this point.
The gunman will survive his injuries, but no one's sure how Sergeant Falk fared.
Was Corey hit? Was Corey hit? Yeah, Corey's hit.
The assumption's made that Sergeant Falk is shot.
Then, an amazing sight. The officer staggers from his cruiser, alive.
It happened so fast. I don't know what was going on. All I could see was that gun.
Falk was struck in the head and hand by bullet fragments and glass. But his injuries are not life-threatening.
We train and train and train for these situations, hoping they never happen, but being ready for them if they do. In this case, it happened.